Are you on the lookout for the best open source team wiki in 2026? We will compare Docmost and Outline in today's video. They both are aimed at building team knowledge bases and collaborating but have some nuances. First, we have Docmost. Docmost is a collaborative open source wiki and documentation tool. The documentation lists real time collaboration, integrated diagramming tools such as Draw.io, Draw, and Mermaid, Spaces, and RBAC or role based access control as features. Other notable features include page comments, history, as well as built in search engine that crawls pages and all attachments. Dual licenses are offered, which is AGPL 3.0 for the Community Edition and Commercial Enterprise License, which extend features such as SSO or SAML/OIDC and an AI assistant. Outline is another widely popular open source theme wiki and knowledge based solution. As per the GitHub page, it can be described as a fast and collaborative solution created with React and Node.js. Notable features include a beautiful and lightweight editor and bidirectional linking capabilities. Although the software is self hosting friendly, its license is the Business Source License 1.1, which converts to Apache 2.0 after 4 years. It's especially famous for its hosted software as a service version and OIDC authentication capabilities. So, what are the differences? DocMost relies more on structure and permissions. The comparison page of DocMost shows how the ability to provide page level permissions and the built in diagramming capabilities have been instrumental in choosing DocMost over Outline. In addition, DocMost provides an advanced AI assistant capable of summarizing, translating, and even chatting with its whole knowledge base through Model Context Protocol. Outline emphasizes speed, simplicity, and the enhanced experience of writing. Outline describes itself as a modern hub for the internal knowledge of a company and focuses on the effortless collaboration with a powerful editor that is closer to a creative instrument than a simple database. If you seek a quick, elegant theme wiki with a reliable, collaborative editing feature and seamless third party integration, Outline is an excellent choice. If you require native documentation structure, diagrams as code, and permission options for various departments, DocMost is the way to go. However, if you prefer speed, elegance, and an enhanced experience of writing with proven collaboration, use Outline.